Andy, your favorite cover girl, at kakanain ko po ang All That Jazz Broadway version. Gamit ko po ang ating King Sound Card, ang ating on the audio equipment microphone. Nakabit lang po siya dyan. Enjoy! Come on, babe, why don't we paint the town? And all that jazz, I'm gonna rouge my knees and throw my stockings down. And all that jazz, start the car, I know a whoopee spot where the gin is cold but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl. And all that jazz. Lick your hair and wear your buckle shoes. And all that jazz, I hear the father dip is gonna blow the blues. Alright. And all that jazz, hold on, hon, we're gonna put a hug. I bought some aspirin, the not United drug, in case you shake apart and want a brand new start to do that jazz.
Oh, you're gonna see your Shiva shimmy shake.
And all that jazz.
Oh, she's gonna shimmy till her goddess break.
Oh, all that jazz.
Shout when a bugger girdle. Oh, her mother's blood of girdle. If she hisses, her baby's queen.
All that jazz. Find a flask, you're playing fast and loose. And all that jazz. Oh, right up here is where I store the truths. And all that jazz. Oh, come on, baby, we're gonna brush the sky. I bet you like it, Lindy, never flew so high. Cause in the stratosphere, could you lend an ear to all that jazz? So finally, Fred, huh? Oh, Fred? Oh, Fred. Nobody walks out on me. I'm no one's wife, but I love my life. Oh, that jazz. Hey. Again, I'm Andy, your favorite cover girl. Your favorite cover girl. At gamit ko po ang King Sound Card. Ang kagandahan po dito, napakadaling gamitin kasi tatlo lang po talaga yung sinasaksak ko, which is yung cellphone or laptop kung gusto nyo gamitin yung mga laptop nyo. Ito pong earphones para marinig ko po lahat. Saka yung microphone para naman mabilis ko silang para makapakanta ko na maayos. And then, pag nakikita nyo po, dito ko na ina-adjust yung music. Pwede ko lakasan yung music. Ayan, no, lalakasan ko yung music. Pwede kong bawasan. Kasi ito, pwede ko lakasan yung microphone. Pwede ko babaan yung microphone. Gusto ko lagyan ng echo. Pwede ko lagyan ng echo. Ayan. Pwede ko babaan, di ba? Maganda. Kaya maganda siya. So, napakadali gamitin. Kung dati napakahirap magkaroon ng setup sa bahay, ngayon pwedeng-pwede na. Kung gusto yung magkaraoke lang, actually pwedeng-pwede magkaraoke. Marami sa amin bumibili mga magkakaraoke sila sa bahay, pero gusto nila kahit paano mara-record nila na maayos para alam mo yung meron silang memories, gano'n. So, bye guys! Thank you!